Hi, welcome to Data Shark Academy. So far in the course, we had been importing entire table from relational database. In this section, we will use columns directive provided by Sqoop. This directive lets you specify the list of columns from the source table which should only be imported into the Hadoop. This directive is very useful in case you want to store specific columns in Hadoop and you do not need entire table. This will also reduce the amount of disk space your data will need on Hadoop after import. In order to use this column, you need to specify the list of columns within double quotes, and the order in which these are specified in your command, the same will be the order in which the data will be stored in Hadoop. Alright, so let's try this in our terminal. So we'll open the terminal and it will be Sqoop command. Alright, so we'll connect to Sqoop database, username root, password Hadoop, and table will be employees, and we need columns. It's an employee number, first name and last name. These three columns we need to pull from employees table. And we want to store it in target directory Sqoop employees calls, and the driver is MySQL JDBC driver. Let's run this. So here again you see that it's running select star from employees, not specific columns. But when it will store it in the Hadoop, it will only dump the data for those three columns. Alright, so let's look at the Hadoop side. Our table is employees calls. Alright, so we have 4 files. Let's open one of them. Alright, and hit 10. Alright, so as you can see now, instead of having all those columns from employees, we are just importing 3 columns, which are employee number, first name, and the last name. Alright, so this is very helpful and you might be using it in real world a lot of the times. So just keep in mind that you have an option in Sqoop to import specific columns also. Now try this out on your side, and if you have any questions or issues, let me know. Thank you.